good morning. So welcome back to your English class. This is Mahesh sir. And as you know, yesterday in last class we discussed our new poem, which is Hi. There was a little curious boy who wanted to know the answers of various questions. He wants to know, why does wood swing? Why does wood swing? And why do lead and marble sing? Why does sun shine? Why do we eat? Why do we drink? Why and the what does cloud make? And why does the cloud cross
Good
the
morning,
sky?
sir.
There are different and various questions in his mind. So we discussed this poem yesterday. Now in this class, we are going to discuss new words from this poem. So I'll request you all, take a pencil in your hand, Divyanshu Kumar Manu, keep your mobile phone at a one place.
The page number.
Okay, and write new words with me. Write new words in your copy. Okay. First word is there, curious. New word. New words and
Good,
meaning.
good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. First word is there,
Good
curious.
morning.
Curious. Curious. Curious means eager to know something.
Sir, side please.
Eager to know something. After this, another word is there, laid. Laid. Write fastly. Some of the students are
Good
still
morning, sir.
not writing. Yes, write fast. Only 5 words are there. We will list it out. We will write all the meanings of this
Done,
word.
sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Laid.
Done, sir. No,
A
done, sir.
metal. Laid a metal. After this,
Done, sir.
marble, a little glass ball used by children to play. A little
Sir,
glass
board is
ball
not
used by
clear.
children to play. Write as fast as you can. After this, sink. Sink means to go down. Below the surface of water. After this, the last word
Done,
is
sir.
there. Reason. 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 Reason means a cause. Right, fastly.
Done,
First word is there, curious. Curious means eager to know something.
Sir, side please.
कुछ जानने की जिज्ञासा होना. It means curious. Lead, a metal which is in liquid form. लिक्विड फॉर्म में जो मेटल होता है उसे लेड कहा जाता है.
Please, sir.
मार्बल, इट मीन्स अ लिटिल ग्लास बॉल यूज्ड बाय चिल्ड्रन टू प्ले. बच्चों से या बच्चे जो कंचे खेलते हैं उन्हें मार्बल कहा जाता है. सिंक, टू गो डाउन बिलो द सरफेस ऑफ वाटर. पानी के सरफेस के नीचे जाना. इट मीन्स सिंक. It means sink. There are three different concepts related to this. First one is sink. Another one is float. Okay.
Side please, sir.
Only two different concepts are there. First one is sink and another one is float. Float means what?
Side please.
Yes, I am at the side, at a side.
Sir, body is not clear.
Yes. तो जैसे कि सिंक का मतलब क्या हमने देखा, टू गो डाउन बिलो द सरफेस ऑफ वाटर. पानी है, उस ये मान लीजिए सरफेस है, इट इज द सरफेस ऑफ वाटर. इफ समथिंग गोज डाउन जस्ट बिलो द सरफेस ऑफ वाटर, पानी के अंदर जाना, इट मीन्स सिंक. इफ one thing is just float on the water. अगर कोई चीज पानी में डूब नहीं रही है, वो पानी के सरफेस पे है, it means float and it is sink. Okay, sink and float, there are two different concepts.
Done, sir.
Yes.
Done, sir.
So shall we revise this one? First word is curious.
Done, sir. Yes, sir.
First word is curious. It means eager to know something.
Done, sir.
Another word is lead. It is a metal which is in liquid form.
Done, sir.
Marble. Don't
Done,
say
sir.
done, sir. Just listen carefully. Marble, a little glass ball used by children to play. Sink, to go down below the surface of water. And the last word is reason. Reason means cause, a cause. Okay?
Done, sir.
That's it. The new words with their meaning. Right,
Sir,
fast.
मेरा reason वाला नहीं हुआ.
Right, fast.
हो गया. I have done, sir. Sir, मेरा हो गया. I have done, sir.
Very good, very
I have
good.
done.
जिनका नहीं हुआ है वो जरा फास्टली लिखे, स्पीड से लिखे. After this, we will see the question answers from this poem, which are quite simple. Hope you all completed this. Yes, I am going to write the board. And try to
Done,
write
sir.
with me. मेरे साथ लिखने की कोशिश कीजिए. Okay? Question and answer. First question is there. Name a few things that sing. Name a few things that sing. कुछ चीजों के नाम बताइए जो पानी में डूब सकती है.
अरे सर टेक्स्ट बुक में करना है.
So you will write in your notebook, in your
Stone.
copy. अपने
Sir,
अपने
stone.
कॉपी में लिखेंगे.
ओके सर.
Yes.
Stone.
Yes. Tell me what is the answer. Name
Stone,
few
marble.
things that sing.
मार्बल.
Marble. Very good. Marble. Lead. As we know, as we discussed in a poem, lead and marble sink in the water.
Stone.
Stone.
सर ब्रिक.
Brick.
सर ब्रिक.
Stone.
सर
Iron. Iron. Okay. That's it. Marble, lead, stone, iron. Glass. We can say glass. We can write here because glass also sink in water.
Brick. Brick.
सर कॉटन. सर ब्रिक.
Okay. Name a few things that sink. We have written here marble, lead, stone, iron, and glass. All these things can sink in water.
Sir, lead यानी
Who is asking? Sandeep. We have written the meaning of this lead. Lead means metal. Metal यानी धातु. जैसे लोहा होता है, एल्यूमिनियम होता है, वैसे ही लेड होता है, लेकिन ये लिक्विड फॉर्म में होता है. लेड इट मीन्स अ मेटल विच इज इन लिक्विड फॉर्म और लिक्विड मेटल जो पानी से भारी होता है. सो दैट lead also sinks in water. After this, second question is there. List 3 questions that the little boy asked. We are going to write some questions which
बोर्ड नोट.
that the little boy asked. कौन से question वो पूछ रहा था? We are going to write all these questions. Why do we eat? Why do we eat? Why does sun shine? Why does sun shine?
Sir, board is not clean.
Why do,
सर बॉडी इज क्लियर.
Sir, body is not clean. Sir, body is
why
not
does
clean.
wind blow?
Sir, board is clear.
Board
sir,
is clear. Nobody will disturb in between.
सर क्वेश्चन में दैट के आगे का नहीं दिख रहा.
Take it out in your book. From your book, you can write the questions from your book at least. कम से कम आप अपने बुक से क्वेश्चंस तो लिख सकते हैं, है ना? List 3 questions that the little boy asked. We have written here, why do we eat? हम क्यों खाते हैं? हम खाना क्यों खाते हैं? Why does sun shine? Sun shine क्यों करता है? Why does wind blow? हवा क्यों बहती है? Yes. And I am going to add some few questions. Just check it out. Why do lead sing? Why do lead
Sir, side, please.
why do lead and marble sing? Another is
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
why does wood
Sir, board is not
be
clean. Sir, side, please.
write as fast as you can?
I have done, sir. I have done, sir. I have done, sir.
Wait for others.
I have done, sir.
Wait for others.
Done, sir. I have done, sir. I have done, sir. Done, sir. Sir.
I am done,
Done,
sir.
sir. No done, sir. No done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Yes, wait for others. I am giving you 2 minutes. Nobody will say done, done. Just write.
Done,
To
sir.
write first.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Rihanna.
मेरा नहीं हुआ सर मेरा नहीं
Rihanna.
हुआ
Rihanna.
Done, sir.
Rihanna. चुप. Rihanna.
सर अनन्या मीना का माइक बंद करो सर अनन्या का माइक बंद करवाओ
सभी बच्चे अपना माइक म्यूट रखेंगे. Please mute your devices. I request you all. And
सर
just show me
मार्बल के
thumbs
बाद
up
क्या लिखा
after
है?
completing this. Abhishek,
सर मार्बल के बाद क्या लिखा है?
where? Sink. S-I-N-K. Sink. Write as fast as you can. You are taking too much time.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, let's discuss another question. Before that, I'm going to read all these questions. Only two questions are there. Name a few things that sink. We have listed out marble, lead, stone, iron,
Sir,
and
side
glass.
please.
List three questions that
Done,
the
sir.
listening was asked. Here it is. We have written five questions. Why do we eat? Why does sun shine? Why does wind blow? Why do lead and marble sing? Why does wood sweep? Okay, all these questions are there in the mind of a child. वो जो बच्ची है उसके मन में ये सारे क्वेश्चंस थे. Now we are going to discuss another question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is there. What a sort of a boy. What sort of a boy is described in the poem? Ananya, please mute your device. Options are there. A is there, sad. B1 is curious.
Sir, side please.
And the C is
Curious होगा. Sir, side please.
yes. We all know the child was curious.
Curious.
Okay, yes. So just take correct.
Curious.
Yes. What sort of a boy is described in the poem? A boy is described in the poem curious. The boy is curious.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Very good.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
I have done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
धन्या मीना अपना माइक म्यूट रखो
Done, sir. Done,
और
sir.
कोई भी डन सर नहीं बोलेगा. Just wait for others. Just wait for your friends because they are writing and you are creating disturbance in the class.
Done, sir.
रियाना मैंने अभी यही बात बोली कि कोई डन नहीं बोलेगा. Just show me thumbs up. Yes, प्रसादु मोहन, वेरी गुड. कुछ भी बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, let's take another question. Question number 4. Ram is a curious little boy and he always asking questions. One day he came home and asked his grandfather questions like, Ram is also a curious little boy and he wanted to know something. He wanted to know the answers of some questions which are in his mind. Okay, so when he came home, he asked some questions to his grandfather. So the fourth question I have, I will write here. Why can't we look at the sun during a solar eclipse? Solar eclipse. This is the question in Ram's mind. Why can't we look at the sun during solar eclipse? During a solar eclipse. सोलर एक्लिप्स यानी सूर्य ग्रहण जब होता है तब हम सूरज को क्यों नहीं देख पाते या देख सकते? As wait a minute. Sorry. We can't look at the sun
Sir side please.
during
Side please. Sir side. Sir side please.
as the sun
Sir side please.
radiation
Side please.
can harm our eyes. We can't look at the sun during a solar eclipse because as the sun radiation can harm our eyes. हमारी आंखें खराब हो सकती है क्योंकि सोलर एक्लिप्स के टाइम जो रेडिएशंस होते हैं वो बहुत तेज होते हैं, so that it can harm our eyes, so that we can't look towards the sun, okay, during a solar eclipse. Write fastly.
Done, sir.
Who is there? Ananya, please mute your device. मैंने 4 बार आपको रिक्वेस्ट की है.
The side please.
What sort of a boy is described in the poem? Curious. Why can't we look at the sun during a solar eclipse? We can't look at the sun during the solar eclipse as the sun radiation can harm our eyes. Solar eclipse के time radiations जो है वो high होते हैं and it can harm our eyes, so that we can't look towards the sun. Okay? I'm giving
Sir,
you 2 minutes space.
सिर्फ एक काले चश्मे से ही देख सकते हैं.
Yes, yes. While looking towards the sun during a solar eclipse,
Done, sir.
you should take some precautions like wear a black
Sir,
colored
side
goggle.
please.
Okay.
Sir, side please. Done, sir.
Okay, let's take another question.
सर सर मेरा नहीं हुआ सर मेरा नहीं हुआ
Yes, right. Please. Yes, right.
डन सर
Sandeep Kumar Berwa, please mute your device. Yes, another question is there. It is fifth one. It is fifth question. Why can't we touch the sun? Why can't we touch the sun?
Sir, because sun are very far from earth.
Very good, very good. We can't
Sun is very hot and
touch the sun because the sun is very far from earth. That's
सर
it.
सन पे हम जा ही नहीं
You
सकते तो
can't
कुछ
touch the
कैसे
sun
करेंगे
because it is. Don't write the sun again. Write it is. It is very far from us.
सर हम सन पे जा ही नहीं सकते तो उसको हम टच कैसे कर सकते हैं
body is not clear. Sir, body is not clear.
You can write here. We can't
I
touch
have
the
done,
sun because it is very far from us as well as it is very hot.
I
Okay?
I
Yes.
have done sir done sir
Nobody will say anything. Just try to write as fast as you can. And the last question I am going to write here on the
Sir, अभी
board.
करना है.
It is very far from us. And the last question, why can't we go out? Why can't we go out to play in the dark? Because we cannot see properly. We cannot see properly in the darkness.
I have done sir
Even we can fall.
सर आपने प्ले इंदा के बाद क्या लिखा है
Please check the question from your book, Aditya Kumar. The questions, all the questions are from your
Side,
book.
please.
Why can't we go out to play in the dark? Because we cannot see properly, even we can fall.
I have done,
Done,
sir.
sir. I have done, sir.
Very
Done,
good.
sir.
Not done.
Done, sir. I have done, sir.
So today in this class we discussed six
Done, sir.
questions, question and answers. Okay. Hope you all understand this. So that's it for today.
Okay, sir.
It's bye for now. Thank you one and all.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye.